Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Lexus key battery. First, you'll need to gather a few simple tools. Grab a small flathead screwdriver, and it's a good idea to wrap its tip with tape to prevent any scratches on your key fob. You'll also need a new CR2032 lithium battery. Having dry hands is important to avoid any moisture-related issues. These steps will help you prepare for a smooth battery replacement process. Now, let's get to the first step of opening your key fob. Look for a small release button located on the side of the fob. Press this button firmly, and you'll notice the mechanical emergency key blade will slide out. This key is usually used for manual entry, but for our purpose, removing it creates a small opening. This opening is where you'll insert your screwdriver to begin prying open the fob. With the mechanical key removed, carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into the exposed slot. Apply gentle pressure to pry open the key fob cover plate. Once open, you might see an electronic key module. If so, remove it. Take note of how the old battery is oriented, usually with the plus side facing up. Then, carefully pop out the old battery and insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the plus side is facing up. After inserting the new battery, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure all components are properly seated. Press the cover plate firmly until you hear it click securely into place. This indicates that the fob is closed correctly. Before you go, remember to check the description below for helpful links and other great deals. Finally, test your key fob to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking, are working perfectly with the new battery. If you encounter any issues, double-check the battery orientation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.